In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to give someone Genesis crystals in Genshin Impact. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily gift someone any amount of Genesis crystals in Genshin Impact. All that you need is their UID. Sadly, this isn't something that you will be able to do officially, so it is not available when you go inside of Genshin Impact and you browse through all of the purchase options. You must do it through an external website. The website is called CodaShop. If you are unsure about the safety of this website, I recommend that you do some research online. However, they have been operating for years now. They seem very safe. They have sponsored a lot of official community members, so I would recommend using this. There are other websites that have the same functionality, but CodaShop seems to be the best recommendation overall. So all that you have to do after you visit codashop.com is to choose your region. After you do this, scroll down and you should see Genshin Impact on the list of games. You will notice that they have a lot of other ones as well. Mobile Legends Bang Bang, Honkai Star Rail, Zenless Zone Zero, and so on. So for this video, I'm going to choose Genshin Impact, but any of these will work. When you select Genshin Impact, the only thing that you need is your friend's UID. So you need to enter the UID and pick the correct server. Double check that the server was properly selected, otherwise you might be sending it to a different region. After you enter the UID in the region here, you will be able to select the amount that you want to top up. So you can choose between 60 to 8,080 Genesis crystals. The price will update dynamically, and you also have the option to choose a blessing if you prefer. After you select any amount of Genesis crystals, choose the payment methods, so it seems like they offer card payments and then PayPal and Venmo. And the only other thing that you will need is the zip code. So enter all of the information as needed, the email address, and as long as you fill out all of these details and the purchase is approved, the person referring to this UID will get a notification telling that they purchased Genesis crystals. I hope I was able to help you on how to gift someone Genesis crystals in Genshin Impact. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.